Alright guys, so here are our seeds. This one guys, this taro root is huge. It's like a head. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May from Familia, Filipina-Spanish. And yes guys, I would like to show you the things that I bought from the cooperative because I want to plant vegetables guys this year. So we went there. We went to buy few seeds. So I will show you guys. Alright guys, so here are our seeds. Yes, let's start from this one. This one is jerkin. Yes guys, this one is like small cucumbers. Normally they use this for preserving. Yes, like pickles. And you can harvest this one guys from 3 months. As in, madali lang pala siya. So 3 months is 90 days. And yeah, there are the characteristics. Yes guys, and yeah, it's all about the seeds guys dito sa likod niya in different languages. So it is very nice. And we have okra. I also have okra from last year. I kept one. I mean, I have one of these, pero alam niyo naman madami, di ba? Yung seeds sa loob. So I kept also that one. And I have it. And I bought another one because this time I'm going to plant more. Yes guys. So ito. So you can harvest this from 3 to 4 months. Yes. So as in I am excited to plant all this. So we have this aubergine, eggplant, or talong. Yes, this one, ito yung kinuha ko guys, yung medyo light siya. May iba din na variety, yung as in dark purple, pero ito yung kinuha ko. Yes, so this one is from 5 months. This one is from 5 to 6 months. Oh, I see. And we have this one guys, this is parsley. Yes, this is to put in our food. Okay, harvest is also it's also from 3 months. Yes, marami din siyang seeds. And we have our carrots. Yes, and these carrots guys, you can start to harvest from 3 to 4 months. Simula nung itinanim mo, you can harvest from 3 months. OMG, so interesting. And now this one is spinach, and the variety is butterfly. Yes guys, so as in na maganda din ito. I love it. This one is like my malunggay guys, kasi nga wala tayong malunggay because it is winter. And yeah, this one I use this like malunggay or like alugbati, something like that. Yes, and this one you can start to harvest from 2 to 3 months. So maganda siya guys, maganda siya. Hindi siya nagfo-focus sa malayo, siya nagfo-focus. Let's try. Ayan. So ayan, harvest from 2 to 3 months guys. So maganda siya. Within 60 days you will start to harvest guys this spinach. And also the carrots from the carrot is 3 to 4 months guys na pwede ka mag-harvest ng carrots. And we have also this green bean. Yes, parang sa atin is Baguio beans guys. We call it Baguio beans sa atin. And this one is green bean. And green bean you can, let me check it. You can harvest after 55 days. So this is very quick. This is quick one, guys. You can see that. Look, you can see this. Super violet, and harvest after 55 days. Wow, so the fastest one is this, the spinach and carrots. Yes, and of course I have this moringa oleifera or malunggay. This one, guys, I bought this last year from Amazon and I still have a lot. Yes, so makakaulam tayo ng malunggay this year. Much better, I think, this time. And we have also this zucchini or courgette, and the brand and the variety is Black Beauty, like me. Black Beauty. Yes, guys, ang variety niya is Black Beauty. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Maganda siya. And, ayan. And you can harvest from 3 months. Wow! Madali din ito. Yes. And we have these different kinds of tomatoes, everyone. Lakota is playing. That's why it's a little bit noisy. Okay, so we have this bull's heart tomato, guys. Corazon de buey, they call it. Buey is bull. And yeah, this one, guys, is so juicy and delicious. Okay, so you can start to harvest this from 5 to 6 months. Hindi kasi siya nagfo-focus, everyone. So sorry about that. Yes, so here from, and our light is also illuminating. So shiny. Okay, here from 5 to 6 months you can start to harvest this tomato, this kind of tomato, from 5 to 6 months. And the fruit, guys, is one of these is 250 grams. Can you imagine? Just one of these tomato is 250 grams. Yes. And another one, this is one of my favorites as well. Lahat yung mga tomato, guys, na kinuha ko are my favorites. Yes, may isa pa na kulang. I didn't check, but I will buy that. I will buy the seedlings na lang kung wala akong makita na seeds. I think I will buy the seedlings. Yes. So we also have these tres cantos, it says. And this one, guys, is pink giant tomato. My SD card is full, so I am using now my mobile to record this video. All right, so we were talking about this tomato. So this tomato is pink giant tomato, and this is one of my favorite tomato, guys. As you can see, Tres Cantos Tomate Gigante Rosa. Here. Pink giant, this one, guys. So pink giant Tres Cantos tomato. So you can harvest this from 4 to 5 months. Yes. And as I've said before, this is one of my favorites as well. These 4 are my favorites, but I still have another one, guys. It's called pear tomato because it is so juicy, and I normally use that pear tomato for our gazpacho. Yes. Okay, so let's move on to another variety of tomato, and this tomato is cherry tomatoes. As you can see, na maliit siya, guys, and this one is perfect for salads, and my kids love this cherry tomatoes. Yes, and they didn't tell. Let me check properly. Ideal for growing in containers and pots. All right, so they didn't tell how many days, guys, so I don't know when. Yes, so yeah, they didn't tell the months, guys, when you are going to harvest that. And another one, this tomato, guys, is hanging. tomato, because most Catalan people, they use this variety, guys, to spread on the bread. Kasi guys, yung ano, as in fleshy siya pero soft. Okay, so you can use these tomato, guys. Yeah, can you see? Pan con tomate. So bread with tomato. Normally Catalan people or Spanish people, they use this bread, guys. They use this tomato to spread on the bread, guys, and it is really so delicious. Just add with some drops of olive oil and salt, and then top it with ham, cold meats like turkey, ham. Yes, yung sweet ham, they call it sweet ham here. Yes, what else? You can top also with salamis, salchichon. Yes, guys, the cured meat in general, or also with egg omelette. Yes, guys. So ito lahat, guys, ang ating how do we call this? Ang ating seed na itatanim this year, and hopefully marami kaming ma-harvest this time kasi mas malaki na ang lupa na taniman natin, guys. Kaya I bought na itong mga ito, guys. Noon, ang binibili ko lang ay yung mga seedlings na ilan lang, konti lang. But this time, because I want to preserve, guys, yes, kaya bumili na lang ako ng ganito. And by the way, some of them, you can plant them directly. Alright, so this moringa oleifera or malunggay, guys, yeah, I will sow this directly. Yes, I will plant this directly kasi last year I put in a pot. And yeah, when I started to transplant, parang ano siya, guys, sensitive siya. Hindi na buhay yung transplant ko. So guys, after buying these seeds, we went also to the Pakistani store and I bought one papaya and one big taro root because I really want to plant that, but I'm not sure if I'm going to plant that or we will eat it because my husband loves this taro root as well. I will show you guys. This one, guys, this taro root is huge. It's like a head. Yes, and this taro root is from Colombia. Yes, everyone, it is really big. Yes, can you imagine? Gusto kong itanim, everyone. Yes, may tanim ako sa taas, but the small taro roots. And this is the papaya. And I also want to take the seeds. Sana mabuhay sila. So these two, we bought this from the Pakistani store, and then because it's a Thursday, we went to the flea market or the farmers market, guys, and I bought this strawberries, and originally from Spain, Española. Yes, it's not from other country. Yes, kaya as in maganda siya, guys. Bumili ako ng 2 kilos, ayan, 2 kilos in origen España. And I also bought some oranges because I want to drink fresh juice. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please comment down below kung sino ang magtatanim sa inyo this year, this summer, or kung ano ang itinanim niyo. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you all so much for watching. And hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye!